crowd was also entertained by renowned musicians, including the legendary Alick Macheso and Zimdancehall artists like Culture Love. DJs Fantan and producer Levels also took to the stage, keeping the atmosphere lively. A highlight of the day was a live performance by Alick Macheso, one of Zimbabwe's most beloved musicians. Macheso and his band entertained the crowd with their energetic Sungura music, blending traditional sounds with modern rhythms. His performance was a hit, with many in the audience singing and dancing along, bringing a joyful and communal spirit to the celebration. The crowd erupted in cheers when a large lady was invited to dance on stage, her moves bringing smiles and laughter to everyone present. The entertainment continued with a singing competition between Alick Macheso and Culture Love, further engaging the audience.
Baba Sharu,
Culture Lover,
Baba Sharu, Baba Sharu, Indian, Culture Lover, Culture Lover, 99, Baba Sharu is why. Yeah, he's so bad to Takanyanya. Baba Sharu to a panya. Abamire pano, Sungura eva no vashavo, asikutanza, abamire pano, tuavera mapas, ese vacheketa tosita mastas, pushka ipapo tichiseta mapas, ikana vachina kavatofu, crash.
in the season, in the season, Papa no sino. Papa no sinala. Unawa why is but on the panyo. On the panyo.
For sure, endo panyai. Yende ina ninga kunyari. Pana ute basa ninga mutambi. Ino ziroga mandizwani.
And these are the Mari. These are the Mari. Kumang unula ko penka unula kuchka. Unula kufuga.
Hapa makuta ujiwani. Helo ndi nyanyi.
Hembe wasilpi. Culture Mansi. Rufaro Rungu.
Thank you.
Additionally, a football match saw the Warriors select team lift the 2024 ZDF Cup after defeating the Zimbabwe Defence Forces select side 1-0 at Rufaro Stadium. Timon Makhope, a trialist for the Warriors and Zimbabwe striker, scored the winning goal, showcasing his skills in a match that kept the fans on the edge of their seats. As Zimbabwe celebrated Heroes Day on the 12th of August, followed by Defence Forces Day on the 13th of August, 2024, tens of thousands of Zimbabweans from all walks of life gathered at various venues across the country to honor these significant holidays. The main celebrations were held at Rufaro Stadium in Harare, marking 44 years of defence excellence. The choice of Rufaro Stadium for these celebrations is deeply symbolic. It was here, on the eve of April 18, 1980, that the Union Jack was lowered and the Zimbabwean flag was hoisted for the first time. This marked the birth of an independent and free Zimbabwe, a moment that set us on the path to chart our own destiny. It was also in surrounding residential suburbs like Mbeya and Highfield where many of our citizens bravely resisted and rejected the racist colonial administration, often facing brutal repression for their courage. President Emmerson Mnangagwa, who serves as the Commander-in-Chief of the Zimbabwe Defence Forces, inspected the Guard of Honour shortly after his arrival at the stadium. He highlighted the significance of holding the celebrations at Rufaro Stadium, the place where the Union Jack was lowered in 1980, making way for the hoisting of Zimbabwe's flag. Yesterday's celebration of Zimbabwe National Defence Forces Day at Rufaro Stadium was a vibrant and patriotic event filled with a wide range of activities that honoured the nation's military and brought together the community in a spirit of unity. The day began with an impressive military parade where various units of the Zimbabwe Defence Forces marched in perfect unison. The soldiers, dressed in full uniform, demonstrated their discipline and coordination, much to the delight of the spectators. The event featured live demonstrations of military operations, such as simulated combat scenarios, rescue missions, and anti-terrorism drills. The Air Force of Zimbabwe captivated the crowd with thrilling flyovers, featuring fighter jets and helicopters in intricate formations. The aerial maneuvers showcased the Air Force's capabilities and added an exhilarating dimension to the celebrations. In an exciting twist, some individuals from the crowd were allowed to hold and fire military guns into the air under supervision, purely for entertainment purposes. This unique experience was a highlight for many in attendance. These celebrations were more than just events, they were a powerful reminder of our history, our unity, and the unwavering spirit of Zimbabwe. As we reflect on these days, let us continue to honor those who have sacrificed for our freedom and strive to uphold the values that define our nation. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more updates and stories on Nyasha TV.
Mugabe.